To leave recovery mode on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to learn navigation. So to navigate here, the touch screen doesn't work, so we need to use the volume up, volume down button and power button to select. So now we need to browse using a volume down button. We want to go for a reboot to leave it. Then click on a power button, and from here click on power button again to reboot to the system. After a moment, your device should power on normally. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.